Do poly bushes make you faster? Today I came to this racetrack to find out, because the last time I've been here, my car was on completely stuck rubber bushings, and my fastest lap time was a modest 1 minute and 33.48 seconds. And ever since I upgraded to polyurethane, I remember saying that the car feels more sharp and feels planted, and for doing some spirited driving on a back road like this, that's a very good thing. But is all of this only a subjective experience, or are we talking about something real? Let's take the car for a lap and see some real data.
Y eso que la azul yo creo que está quitado ahí medio. Un pelín. Venga, esta lo tiene.
So it turns out the car not only feels sharper and quicker around corners, it really is faster. And that wasn't even the fastest lap of the day, because in the next session I managed to run a 1:27.47, and in the next one a 1:26.91, my new personal record on this track. And if we take a look at the data, it confirms that thanks to the poly bushes, we've gained speed on almost every corner of the track. So to answer the initial question, yes, poly bushes do in fact make you faster.